channel. It's Tina with Home Queen TV, and I am in Texas and it is raining today. In fact, it's been raining for 2 days. So what better plans to do than to do my own nails? So I was at Walmart the other day and they had these nails. For $4.98 by Salon Perfect. They're called Tropics Like It's Hot. Yeah! These are like a bright pink. And in the video today, I'm going to just show you how quick and fast and easy these were to do. In fact, they only took me 5 minutes. So $5 nails in 5 minutes. Well, let's get to it. Gosh, look how cute they are. So they had like, seemed like maybe 5 different colors in the Tropic line of Salon Perfect nails. They had like lime green, they had turquoise, they had orange, and these were all like real bright, fun, beachy summer colors. And look at the shape. Love the shape. Sexy. Where am I going to go with these nails? Think about it. Well, we've got to get this virus under control because they're fixing to shut Texas down again. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed today's show. Please subscribe. I've got an upcoming show that you just don't want to miss. See you later. Bye-bye.